Iran launched a drone assault targeting Bahrain while a ship in the Strait of Hormuz separately came under attack Saturday. The British military's United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations Centre said a tanker was attacked in the strait, with the crew safe and no environmental damage reported. AP says the attacks likely followed overnight U.S. airstrikes on Iranian missile and drone locations and coastal radar sites. The U.S. launched its strikes after an Iranian drone attack Thursday on a ship trying to get out of the Strait of Hormuz. The strikes came even though the U.S. and Iran had reached an interim deal meant to create a path toward ending the conflict. AP notes Bahrain is one of Iran's strongest critics and is home to the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet. Bahrain had just hosted Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Gulf Cooperation Council foreign ministers who called for an end to attacks and an open strait. Bahrain's foreign ministry called the drone attack a threat to the security of citizens and residents. Iran's Revolutionary Guard said it targeted locations of the U.S. military in the region, but did not name the areas. Vice President J.D. Vance said Iran should pick up the phone if there are ceasefire disagreements, but warned that violence would be met with violence. A U.S. Navy-overseen maritime body said it would expand a route near Oman to allow both inbound and outbound traffic. AP says the route expansion could create another flashpoint because Iran says ships must obey its orders in the strait. The Strait of Hormuz is a critical energy choke point through which a fifth of all oil and natural gas once passed. Iran has warned it could charge fees for transit, while the U.S. and Gulf Arab states reject those demands. The strait is widely considered an international waterway, despite running through the territorial waters of Iran and Oman. The Joint Maritime Information Center warned that the threat to ships in the region was substantial and referenced mine risks. No one immediately claimed the tanker attack, but AP reports suspicion immediately fell on Iran. The strongest video visuals are oil tankers, Hormuz maps, Bahrain, air defense systems, radar sites, and smoke over water. The script should keep attribution clear because some claims come from Bahrain, Iran, U.S. officials, and maritime centers. The bottom line: new drone and tanker attacks are testing the U.S.-Iran deal and raising pressure around the Strait of Hormuz.